man. Keep it real, get your own shit, man, and be original. That's all, man. And you gonna come out your own way. Whatever how you gonna take it, man. F it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video or a tutorial on how I make my thumbnails for the channel. So many of you guys asked for that during our live streams, and sorry it's long overdue. What we're going to do is we're going to make a thumbnail for Torchic Community Day. So one of the things that you need is this app, and I'll put all the apps that I use in the description below, so they're all linked in there. You should be able to grab them for Google for sure, for Android, but if you're on Apple, double check, because I'm not sure if they're all available for Apple. So I start with this. This is going to be my blank template. So I create this. Elsewhere you can use like a picture or just a blank background. You just need some image to start placing everything on, and this is usually what I work with. Every time I'll make a new thumbnail, I'll go to the looks, and you can do different colors, different like filters and stuff. So it gives it a little bit of a different feel. It doesn't feel like the same thumbnail every single time. And try to keep in mind what it is that you're going to place on the thumbnail, because you don't want colors to clash or anything like that. You want it to look nice. Since we're going to be doing a lot of yellows and stuff, I'm going to go ashen, just because I want Torchic to pop off the thumbnail. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to import images, and one of the things that I do is I have folders of all the images that I'm constantly using. So logos for like myself, my skull logo, the parental advisory sticker. I have them all in a single place. So I'll show you that, that right now. So right here you can look through different drives and stuff, but we're going to go to our gallery, and I'll link this gallery to. It's a pretty nice app to go through your stuff. So there's the booties. You can see that's PixelLab. That's one of the ones that I use. Pixlr is another one, Adobe Photoshop Mix. But where we're going to go to is logos right here. So we want to go to logos. We're going to click on that. And here you're going to see all the logos that I have. So we're going to start off with our logo. So we're going to click on the Dead Guy Plays one. And we're going to place that right in the corner there. And this is just where I place it. You don't need to place it there. We're going to import the Pokemon Go logo. We're going to put that right underneath there. Next, we're going to bring in some Torchic pictures that we downloaded. So we're going to click this one here. And when I bring it up, you're going to see that it's got a white background on it, so it's not see-through yet. So we need to make sure that that's see-through so we can put them on there and it looks nice and clean. So we're going to click on Cutout. And we're going to click on this left little button here and go to Subtract. From here, if you click on that little magic wand, you can go to Basic or Smart Selection. I'm going to stick with Smart, because all you need to do is just kind of rub around the edges and that white part, and it's automatically going to erase. Hey, shout out to Will Rock. It's automatically going to get rid of all the white stuff. So now we can click on the little check button on the bottom right here. And did I click it? There we go. Boom, nice and clean. It's now transparent. It's like a nice transparent PNG. And we're gonna bring in the next one. And honestly, I had no idea what I'm gonna do with this one. I try to make something funny for you guys when you guys see the thumbnails. So right now, this one looks like he's kind of yelling at the shiny version. So we're gonna make regular Torchic hate on shiny Torchic because he's getting all the love today. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the same thing for regular Torchic. We're going to click on Subtract. And we're going to stay with Smart. Oops. Okay, that's not what you want to do. You want to undo. Click that little arrow at the top there, and then you can undo anything. And I'll show you guys how to check it to see if you got everything. So if you want to see if you got everything, on the very top right here, you can click on this button, and it'll bring in the background image so you can take a look at it and see how it looks. So we're going to click on the check mark here. And now on the right here, you can see that we are now out of spaces. We can't import any more images. So we're going to start merging some of these images so we can have some more room to work with. So the Pokemon Go logo, by the way, this is the order that they go. So this is the bottom layer. This is the next layer. This is the next one on top. So you can see that the Pokemon Go logo is sitting on top of my logo, and that's what I wanted to do. So these are not going to move ever again. Just squash these together. Boom. Merge onto layer. And now you have one image. And if you can zoom, resize it, all that good stuff, and it all stays as one image. So now that we did that, I'm gonna put regular Torchic. Oops. We're gonna move this one above. There we go. So now regular Torchic is behind shiny Torchic. All right, it's a little slow because I'm recording my screen too. You can also flip the image. So we're gonna flip that here. And the next thing I'm gonna import is the speech bubble. So I had to do this ahead of time. I use the speech bubble a lot. All right, here we go. So we're gonna import that. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do cutout, make sure it's on subtract, leave it on smart, and all right, we got a little bit of the corner here on the left, so we're gonna add that back in. So we're gonna click on, and we added it back in. Perfect. All right, hit the check mark. We're gonna go back to our thumbnail. There we go. You can click this on the top right. That'll get rid of everything so you can get a nice cleaner look and you can move stuff around. So we're gonna make Torchic say something here, right? And this is not gonna move too. We need one more space because I need another speech bubble for regular Torchic. We're gonna merge it with regular Torchic. So merge onto layer. All right, so now that we have an extra space, now we're gonna click on the speech bubble and we're gonna go to duplicate. And now we have a duplicate speech bubble. And we're not gonna flip it, but we're gonna turn it around. And now we have a little speech bubble for regular Torchic. And now he looks like he's hating on him. Beautiful, perfect, perfect, perfect. We're gonna go to the little share icon up here. We're gonna do save to gallery, and that's gonna save the thumbnail. So now what we wanna do is we wanna save this in case we wanna make any changes or need to do anything crazy. We can always come back to it. So you're gonna hit that left arrow on the top left of the screen, and that is gonna save your session. Next app we're gonna do is this one here, which is called PixelLab. We're gonna import the image that we just made, and it's going to be right here. It's beautiful. There we go. And this is going to be like I said, just a tutorial, so this is going to be real quick. All right, and then I already have my font, so I'm going to go to font, and if you guys need tutorials on how to use this app or something, let me know, because it's a little tricky to get used to. We're going to do that. We're going to go to spacing, line spacing, and I want the shiny Torchic to stand a little closer to each other. We're gonna go to a line. I'm gonna align left. Go to stroke, enable, and that's gonna give you that nice, outline on your text. That's gonna make it like just pop like crazy. Looks a little empty. I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna put in one more word. I'm gonna put in the word day. There. That looks nicer. But we do need to make it smaller now because that's going into shiny Torchic's face now. Boom, much nicer, much nicer. So this is the app that I use for this font only. This is why I come to PixelLab. So we're gonna share the image, save to gallery. We're gonna show you an ad, that's fine, it's a free app. And now we're gonna go to Pixlr, and I'm gonna show you why I come to this one. This is just for one specific reason, and it's just for the fonts. And this is probably not gonna be the final text on here, but this is just so you guys can see what I do. All right, boom, boom. We're gonna make this a little bit smaller because we're gonna need to make it fit into a little small speech bubble. We're gonna hit that on the bottom right for aligning. Boom, and we're gonna do one more. And now we just need to make it fit in that speech bubble. So we're gonna do this. Fits a little nicer. Yeah, I think that's about the right size. It's a little small, but we can actually still read it. So that's cool. All right. Click on done, save image. It's gonna save it to a max of 1280 by 719, which is perfect because YouTube has certain guidelines that you need to follow, and you don't want to put an image that's too large, otherwise it won't accept the thumbnail. So that's perfect. So we're gonna save that, and now we can go back to our gallery, and we can take a look at our masterpiece. Boom. That is how we finish our thumbnail. So this was a quick one. I usually put a little more thought and stuff into it, but I just wanted to record this really quickly so I could show you guys how to do your own thumbnails. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys have any suggestions or ideas for any future videos, let me know in the comments. Drop a like, all that good stuff. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We stream Pokemon Go, Brawl Stars, and we also stream on Twitch, GTA, and Dying Light. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Big shout out to all my sponsors, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.